The BristleBot. The task is to re-engineer the BristleBot. Some of the essential parts include the battery and the engine. The engine moves to vibrate the object, causing the object to move. I first wanted to try modifying the bot using the materials that I was given. So my first thought was to see if the BristleBot would turn just in a circle. I used two motors on opposite sides of a toothbrush to create equal forces on each side. Unfortunately, one of the motors didn't work, so I attached two pipe cleaners to one side to steer the toothbrush. This gave way for my next idea, where I stuck the toothbrush to the sand timer, but it was too heavy and would not move. Through tinkering, I wondered if the motor would be powerful enough to rotate a cylinder. My first attempt to create was an EOS stick, but the stick was too heavy and would not turn. My second attempt was the toilet roll bot. For the toilet paper roll, I taped the toothbrush in the middle with two caps on either side. Then I stuck the timer with the motor attached. I played around with this idea, adding more weight, taking away weight, changing where the motor was taped to, but I was unable to get a full rotation. So I went back to my original idea of making a bot that would rotate horizontally. I used a bottle cap because it's a circle and taped pipe cleaners to the bottom to reduce the friction between the cap and the surface. To improve the bot, I would go back to the idea of rotating a cylinder. I would want to use a larger motor to duplicate the rotation of the motor on the toilet paper roll or the EOS egg.